Do you wish your lotion gave you more benefits than just moisturizing? We have an all-natural lotion base that you should check out.
It uses essential oils to do more than moisturize. So we'll start by opening it up, grabbing our natural lotion base, and finding our recipe card. From our box, we'll also grab spearmint. I love the smell of spearmint. Grapefruit essential oil, which is citrus and uplifting, and our new homebody blend, which smells sweet and woodsy. All right, so this recipe takes less than a minute to make, really. We're gonna open up our lotion base, add 1 drop of spearmint, 4 drops of grapefruit, and 2 drops of homebody essential oil blend. Next, we're gonna stir it and get it all mixed up. Grapefruit essential oil is phototoxic, but it's unlikely to be phototoxic in the amount used in this recipe. But be cautious before using this recipe and heading out into sunshine. Phototoxic oils can make you more sensitive to light and make you prone to sunburn. So once that's nice and smooth and the essential oils are well mixed, it's ready to be used. We'll also add our labels so we don't forget what's in it, and then it's ready to be used. A little bit goes a long way. I love how luxurious this lotion feels. And I love that it's made out of non-toxic ingredients.
It smells so good.
This recipe uses a 3% dilution rate. If you want to use this with kids, you'll want to lower that to a 1% dilution rate or a 0.5% dilution rate. We'll have a dilution chart linked, which will make diluting this to whatever level you want really easy.
So for more recipes just like this, go to simplyearth.com/box and hit subscribe now.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
Hey!
Do you wish your...
Not like that.